Hello, I'm here today to show you how to log into an iXL account. So we need to start by going to iXL.com. iXL is a subscription-based math practice website. It's for elementary and middle school students. It gives an unlimited number of questions to practice different skills. So to start, you need to find the username and password locations up at the top. Your username is the lunch number or your school ID number, followed by the @Fargo. This login page that we're on right now is the general iXL.com login page. There is a Fargo login page, and if it says Fargo already on there, you don't need to put it. But since this is just regular iXL.com, you're going to need to put @Fargo as part of the username. Type in your password, and we're off. As you can see, your student will be signed up for the 5th grade portion of iXL. This is an account from a that has practice problems already completed, so you can see the green bars in front of the numbers are tasks and skills that the students have already practiced. Along the left side, the PK 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is for the grade level. This student is practicing grade 5, 5th grade. All of the skills go down the page. They are grouped by letter, and students will choose these skills based on skills they need to practice or ones that the teacher has told them that they will be working on. These are all 5th grade skills. They are Common Core aligned, so they are skills that they will need to know by the end of the year. As a parent, if you would like to see a general idea of how your student is doing in their work on iXL, you can go to the Reports tab. The Reports tab tells you a couple different pieces of information. It tells you the number of problems practiced so far in this account, the number of different skills practiced, and the time spent on iXL. You can earn medals as you master different skills. This account has mastered 17 different skills. We have a graph that shows us the time spent in each month and the time spent in each category. At the bottom, it tells us more information about specific skills practiced and a SMART score. A SMART score of 100 means the student has mastered the skill. What we're hoping is that it doesn't take a whole lot of problems to get to that mastered level. As you can see over here, the problems attempted are in the 30s, 40s, 50s, and 70s. That is great. As students answer questions correctly, their SMART score goes up. As they answer them incorrectly, they will need to answer more. It's a percentage-based score, and they need to have a certain percentage of questions correct in order to master the score. It doesn't matter the number of questions as long as they get that percentage back up. If you would like to see more specific how students are understanding each topic, for example, reducing fractions to lowest terms, you can click on the skill and it will show you the questions and the answers that they answered correctly and incorrectly. We can also go over to the Performance tab on the left. If you click Performance, you can choose by category and by skill. Another way to look at the information. The last spot I want to show you is the Trouble Spots tab on the left. This lets us see the skills that are still in the needs improvement range. If we scroll down, we can look at the specific skills that the student needs to practice. One thing I want to point out is that if the SMART score is low, it could be because there just hasn't been very many problems practiced in that skill area. So don't be concerned if you notice a needs improvement, but the total number of questions is still very low. All right, I think that is it. Feel free to look around iXL. It is very user-friendly. Don't be afraid to click on different things and check them out. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.